Hello everyone, in this video we will demonstrate the incorrect installation. First we put the paper behind the rubber roller the machine. When you turn on the machine, you can see that the machine is in a blue light ready state. Now we try to print. You will find that the machine only rotates, that cannot fit the paper. Now we turn off the machine, open the cover, and place the paper in the paper outlet in the correct way. Look, it is at the paper outlet behind the rubber roller. Close the cover and turn on the printer. Press and hold the top paper feed button. Wait for the blue indicator light to flash twice before releasing your finger. After learning the paper can now be fed normally. Now if we try to print again, we will find that the printer can absorb paper and print normally.